Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm going to redraw my first ever drawing I've done for YouTube. It was Gogeta vs Janemba, and I drew this in January 2015, so over 7.5 years ago. Yes, that's how long I have been on YouTube. It's crazy how time flies. As you can see, the quality back then was really not that great, but that's because I just started with what I had. I think I recorded this video with my phone and the setup was also really shaky. I remember that the table wasn't that big, my computer was lame, the lighting was also not the best, but I was already using the expensive Copic markers. The drawing itself is also not that bad, to be honest. There is not much wrong with Gogeta and Janemba, but of course, they were not drawn in an outstanding way. Back then I was just getting back into drawing, so the first 2 years on YouTube I just had fun drawing, to create art and making videos. And the final result is still good in my opinion. What do you think, guys? And today, 7.5 years later, I will redraw this in my new style and with much better equipment. I will keep the idea the same, with Janemba on bottom left and Gogeta on top right. I'm using references for both, but as always, I will add my own drawing style to both characters. And guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Let's get to the 400,000 subscriber mark by the end of this year. That would be mind-blowing to me. So, Janemba looks amazing and Gogeta I will draw in a relaxed front pose right from the movie. I have to say, this has to be my favorite Dragon Ball Z movie. I just love the drawing style and Janemba is forever my favorite villain design. And if the sketching is too fast for you guys to follow, you know that I will upload this drawing on my real-time drawing channel in full time, so subscribe over there as well. For the inking, I really wanted to go wild on this one, But first we gotta do the first and the second layer of ink. The second layer of ink, without adding any details, is just a double check to make sure that the line art is more accurate. I do this because I'm kinda a perfectionist when it comes to the line art. And guys, this drawing is not a commission, so prints will be available on Etsy. So make sure to get yourself one of these and support your artist. And for some free support, make sure to like these videos, comment down below to keep the engagement high, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also support me on Patreon to help me being a full-time artist. For Janemba, I'm using very vibrant red color tones for the skin, and for the armor I'm using the correct purple tones this time. Back then I was using kinda bluish color tones, which made Janemba look quite different. Alright, Janemba looks amazing. The very bright parts in combination with the black shades are matching perfectly together. To split both characters, I wanted to draw a reddish lightning. I think that looks way better than just drawing a line with the ruler. As for the background of Gogeta, I wanted to give him an epic aura with some lightning around him. Looks badass, guys. Really great. For Janemba, I wanted to give it a candy-like background, just like from the movie. I thought that would be a great contrast. So guys, last touch and then we are done. Well, I love the final result, guys. How about you? I really love everything about this drawing. The poses, the line art, the details, the coloring and the background too. I think this is one of my best drawings, and comparing this one to the old drawing, we can see huge improvements. I still kinda love the old drawing because it was the first one I ever did for YouTube and it still reminds me how I started. but we can clearly see that the new one is way better. The accuracy of the lines, the shading, the proportions, the background, well, pretty much everything. I have to say I really enjoyed drawing this one, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to let me know down below what you think of this, and like the video to support me. Again, I will upload this drawing on my real-time drawing channel as well, so subscribe over there too. For commissions, hit me up on Instagram, and prints of this drawing are now available on Etsy. Check the links in the info box to get to the materials I'm using and to all the other stuff. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I'll see you on the next